Under California law, in Health and Safety Code 11377, simple possession of methamphetamine for personal use is only a misdemeanor. Now, this law changed under Proposition 47 in November 2014. It used to be that this was a wobbler. So if they found you with even a line of methamphetamine, they could charge you with a felony. But under Proposition 47, this became a straight misdemeanor. Now, if you're charged with possession for sale of meth, or selling methamphetamine, or manufacturing or cooking meth, running a meth lab, those are all felonies that can carry years in jail or prison. But simple possession is just a misdemeanor that carries a maximum sentence of 1 year in county jail. Now, even though it's just a misdemeanor, it still looks really bad on your record. And with all the hysteria about methamphetamine and meth addicts, the last thing you want is to have a meth conviction on your record when you apply for a job and prospective employers do a background check. It's very easy for them to pass over a candidate who they think may have some problem with methamphetamine. So to the extent that you're charged, you want to do everything that you can to fight the case and keep it off of your record. The good news is that here at Schaus Law Group, we've had a lot of success in helping our clients do just that. So a lot of times we find that the police discovered the meth or methamphetamine by way of an illegal search or seizure. So they may have searched your house or your car without a warrant or without probable cause, in which case we can run what's called a suppression motion and many times get the evidence thrown out of court. It may also be that the drugs didn't belong to you. Maybe the police searched your house and they found some baggies of meth, but it may be that a number of people live there and they're not able to really prove who the meth belonged to. And even in a situation where the facts are really clear that you did have possession of methamphetamine and that it was yours, we can still almost always get you into a diversion program. Now, these are under the old Proposition 36 or PC 1000, and basically it's a probation where you do a class, a drug class, and if you complete it successfully, then you don't go to jail, and the charges are ultimately dismissed, and nothing goes down on your record.